Alright, so first take a look at the earnings from this channel. This channel has gained over 1.1 million views in total since it was created. And as you can see, with 1.1 million views, this channel got me 3,128 euros. 3,000 for 1.1 million views. That's like $3 per 1,000 views. Then check this out. This channel actually got me over 400,000 since it was created. 400,000 views and brought me $3,879, more than what the 1.1 million views brought me. And let me tell you that there's nothing like short here. These channels are based on long form videos. So that simply means that if we take this channel right here with over 400,000 views, if we check the earnings, that simply means that if this channel actually got 1.1 million views as the first one, we could have been making $10,000. Now, why this 1.1 million views will bring us 3,000 euros, let's say $3,000, and this one, if it actually hit like 1 million views, it will brought us like $10,000. Why the difference is so huge? Let me tell you that this is the power of targeting the US audience. And today's video, I'm going to give you one of the best US based channel idea that you need or you could start right now before 2026. And I'm going to give you all the secrets and every single thing I use to create a USA based channel. There are secrets behind it. It's not just about creating any channel. I'm going to share everything I know, everything I've been doing from the past 4 years now by creating Faceless channel and working on Faceless channel, even though many and tons of them has failed and just few has succeeded. If you go to my YouTube channel or this current channel, I share mostly a lot of my USA based channels, so you can see a lot of them, but I have tons that has failed. I never shared it on this channel, but that's just the fact. That's why what I'm going to share with you in today's video, it worked because I've already tried it, and if it didn't, I will not be here sharing it with you, so stick to the end. I'm going to explain everything step by step, how to make the video so it is original and doesn't fall under the riskiest niches right now, because you might know YouTube is actually terminating a lot of non-valued channels or videos. So basically they are just enhancing their policies, but you have nothing to worry about. This is just making places for us who are committed and who are serious with YouTube more places, more room to grow. So before we move ahead, let's understand why we need a USA based channel. This is simply because of the high RPM, revenue per mil, how much you make per 1,000 views. Now let me explain by giving you some examples. Imagine you have a basic or third countries channel that you get views from India, Africa, mostly from Africa, Pakistan, and so on. Even though you are in a great or education or finance niche, you make less money. Let's assume you are into educational content. If you have 1,000 views on your channel, this could bring you $2 to $3 or mostly $4 per 1,000 views. That's the range of what you're going to make per 1,000 views. But now, if you have a USA based channel, you get most of your views from first tier countries, USA, UK, Australia, and so on. Per 1,000 views, you could be making from $5 to $10 and $20. Like you could be getting $5 to $20 per 1,000 views. Like you could make a video, the video will got like 10,000 views, and that video could bring you $100. That's $10 per 1,000 views. Easy. So now you know why we need a USA based audience or USA based channel. We need to create one. Now let's get into how to create a USA based channel. Now you might think creating a USA channel is about some secret or hack by creating a configuration, all those things when you're creating your channel. Not at all. You just create any channel, like even USA channel, like you create any channel or your current channel. Simple configuration like everyone does. That's not what defines your USA based channel. Now let's move on to the most important part, which decide if you are going to create a USA based channel or a basic channel. Okay, and right here we are talking about the niches you are going to make the video on. This is very crucial. If you choose the wrong niche, your videos might never get suggested to the American audience. And yes, there are some niches actually that YouTube doesn't monetize at all. And to make things easier for you, I've worked on several USA based channels and I have 4 that are the best, that are just kept for me, and I'll be using it only me. I'm not going to share it to anyone. But in today's video, I'm going to take just one of the best of those 4, and I'm going to share it with you in today's video, how to make the video and every single thing. Now that USA based niche is AI short. Take a look at these channels. For example, With just over 185 videos, they got more than 1.2 million subscribers. And what they do is very simple. They write short stories, create images using AI tools, and then turn them into crazy videos. If you visit these channels, you will see that most of their videos easily get or hit millions of views. And don't worry, what I'm going to share with you in today's video, this is just to show you that there are people that are doing it or doing a kind of it, but I'm not going to show you exactly what they are doing or how they are doing it. I have another crazy steps or another crazy strategy that I use to create better videos, not by using AI tools or you don't have credit and then you cannot create content. No. But for instance, let me show you another channel. Look at this one, Leopard Dex. They've uploaded more than 26 videos and have gained over 132,000 subscribers. Now, as I told you earlier, most people think that making this kind of content will be difficult, but not at all. But today I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to generate and create or make this kind of video very simple, easy. With 1 minute, 2 minutes, you've already done. In fact, I'll show you how to make it even better. This strategy or method doesn't even require you to use anything like laptop or computer. No, with just your phone you can do it. And for this video I'm going to use phone, so it will be very easy, so there will not be excuses. All right, now let me tell you what they do. They simply take videos from Chinese app and make it original. Like they could take the video is in Chinese, right? Now they transform the video into English. They could use voiceover using 11 labs and so on, make it original, and then upload them on their channel. Like imagine the video is in Chinese, right? You just take that video and transform that video, make it original. You are not going to use like every single thing or copy paste. No, you take that video, like you get inspired of it, then you take it and make it original. First of all, you change the voice, like you change the voice into English. If you want, you can use your own voice so that there's nothing like AI in it. But now you might be telling me that, oh, if the video is in Chinese, how are you going to know exactly what they are talking about? This is one of the secrets I use for me, and I'm going to tell you in today's video. And you can use this strategy for any type of video, even long form videos. What you're going to do is very simple, right? You go to the video, any video, let's take example, or even on YouTube. You go to a video maybe in Chinese, Hindi, or anything you want. You take the link of the video, you go to a website called, or any website for transcribe website. The one I use is Antiago. All right, you go to Antiago and you paste the link, then it will translate the script into English directly or into the current language, right? So what you're going to do is you go down just here, you click on the language and you choose your language. If you want it in English, you choose English, you translate. In Portuguese, you choose it. In French, you choose it and you translate it. Or what you can do simply is, when you have the full transcribe in that current language, even in Chinese, you copy paste into your block note, then you use ChatGPT to help you now. Say, oh ChatGPT, I want to translate Portuguese or Chinese into English. And what you do is you separate the script so they are not like too long, and you copy paste to ChatGPT. ChatGPT translate into American English. You delete it. You delete that part, paste the English there, take the next part, go and translate it, and you know exactly what they are talking about in the video. I just gave you one of the biggest secrets, bro. Like this video, please. So what you are going to do now is very simple, okay? First, you gotta open a Kaichu, I think so. Yeah, Kaichu app. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that is a Kaichu app. And go to this channel. Here you find unlimited content, okay? So much that you get tired of creating content. I'm telling you. So let me play one of those videos for you. As you can see here, this is exactly the ones I show you on the earlier channels on YouTube. Crazy. You might be worried, maybe someone else probably already taken this video and posted. Check this. You can check the views yourself on this video. You can see 5 views, 10 views. That simply means nobody has already seen this video. And even though someone has already seen them and uploaded them, you don't care. You are not going to do the same thing or use the same voiceover or use the same story. You are picking videos to create your own story. Do you understand? So you know the same thing. So for example, let me select a random video from here. To download a video of Kaichu, just copy the link of the video, then go to Chrome, search for Kai video downloader and open the first website. Paste your video link in the box and fill out the captcha. Click download just like I'm doing, and as you can see, my video has been successfully downloaded. Let me quickly play it and you can see. From here you can write your own script however you want it. Now it's time for voiceover. I generate entire voiceover using AI through 11 labs, as you can see here. So you see all my voice characters on the screen. Just take an screenshot if you want to use the same. So next, I open CapCut right here and import my videos, then import my generated voiceovers one by one in the correct sequence. After that, I remove the silent part just like I'm doing, as you can see here. Then I lightly trim the video to match the voiceover timing, and most of the syncing happens automatically. You just need to clean up small parts, adjust everything, make everything great, and once that's done, you can add few sound effects that fit the video, then add background music, and I think that's all. Now to export, yeah, export your video in, I think, 1080p or 4K if you want, and here's how it looks like.
Although check this out. Look what Keelan's eating. Oh damn, he just turned into a green monster. Bro,